So if we jump into the internal design, we already have some simple foam lining that we've placed in this case. What we're going to do is just add some blocks that we can control their size within those foam linings. So in order to do this, we need to use work planes. So we're going to put all the work planes back on show that we're currently using in this project. And what we're going to do is create a simple block of foam here. So what we'll do is we're going to offset, we're going to choose this foam face, and we're going to come away by 100 millimeters. So I now have a work plane. I can put this into a group to help me with the management of what that is. So we choose the work plane, and we'll call this foam width 1, but you could call it something more creative. And if we now hide all the work planes and bring just back in the one we just created, so I could now find a thickness of foam that I'm requiring. I'm going to place this piece of foam on top of this piece, and then I'm going to go to the edit, select the foam, and then I can get hold of this face by right clicking and then going through to my custom graphic, which will grab this face. I'm going to snap it to the work plane and apply that. So now we have this block of foam within the case, and if I wanted to change the size of that piece of foam, I can edit the work plane, change it to 150, update the work plane, and the foam itself will also update. And there you have your piece of foam controlled by this work plane.